Shall I proceed? Okay. So we continue from where we stopped. Prospero was saying, thy false uncle, being, next page, being once perfected how to grant suits, how to deny them, who to advance, and who to trash for our topping, new created, the creature that were mine, I say, or changed them, or else new formed them, having both the key of officer and office, set all hearts in the state, to what tune pleased his ear, that now he was the ivy, which had hid my princely trunk and sucked my verdure out on it. Thou attendest not. This is a paragraph which is a little difficult, so pay attention. So you know the background, you already know. Prospero being busy and interested in liberal arts and books, he asked Antonio to take care of the administration. Prospero becomes less and less attached to people. Antonio becomes more and more close to the people. So Antonio misused. He not only used, he misused the power given to him. It's something like, suppose, what example shall I give you? Suppose you have a principal and vice principal, and principal is going on some urgent work. He has got a duty, some course, something to attend for 3 months. It's a quite a long duration, 3 months. So he asks vice principal to take care of the school, the affair of the school, students, teachers, parents, all the dealings, conducting of school, everything. He'll take care of. He is supposed to, whatever he does, he is doing in the name of the principal. Whatever vice principal does, he does in the name of the principal only. But after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, vice principal finds it very interesting. Oh, very nice to be principal. Why should I be vice principal? Slowly, I can establish very good relationship with the students. I will be very friendly with them. Whenever students ask for a holiday, I'll give them. Or if it rains, I'll declare a holiday. Even if they make little noise in the class, I don't care. And the teachers also, I'm very liberal to teachers. So teachers like me. And when parents come, I make them to come and sit in my room and talk to them. So they are also happy. So after some time, what happens? Vice principal becomes more popular than principal. And slowly he tries to keep the principal away and become the principal himself. That is what happened with Antonio and Prospero. Now you understood now? Being once perfected how to grant suits, suits. Suits is a request. People come and make lot of requests, or they come for various needs, needs, needs. So when they came to, whenever they approached Antonio, Antonio fulfilled their desires. Whatever they asked, he granted them. Whatever they needed, he was very willing to give. Being once perfected how to grant suits. That means he learned the art of giving. He learned the art of pleasing people. Being once perfected how to grant suits, how to deny them. That is important. He learned not only to grant, he also learned how to deny. Whom to deny? So he was building up a group of people who are favorable to him. Most probably, whoever was close to Prospero, he did not grant them any favor. Whereas whom he liked and picked up, he granted them everything. So some people he denied, some people he gave. That is a tactic of a shrewd man. A shrewd man. how to deny them, who to advance, and who to trash for overtopping. Overtopping is ambitious. Overtopping is ambitious. So now, when somebody becomes powerful than you, what do? You cut away his powers, put him in his place, put her or him in his place. So, Antonio, what did you do? Whenever people became ambitious, when somebody is ambitious, means what is the meaning of ambition? Ambition is a strong desire, a desire to have many things. So when there are people who are very ambitious, very desirous of many things, you have to put them in their place, otherwise they become more powerful than you. So Antonio learned the art of giving and denying. He learned how to deny her, who to advance means whom to advance, whom to bring up, whom to promote, whom to encourage. Some people he encouraged, gave them powers, brought them up. Some others, what did you do? To trash for overtopping. They were doing too well, extremely well. So he put them down. He did not allow them to grow. These are all tricks of a government, tricks of a king. You know now, the center BJP is ruling for so many years. How? Using this kind of tricks only. New created the creatures that were mine, I say, or changed them. What did Antonio do? New created. New created means win over. WINOVER. Win over. New created. Win over. What is the meaning of win over? When I win over you, you will become my friends. All my enemies, suppose I win over my enemies, they all will become my friends. So he new created them means many people he took to his side by showing some favoritism, by granting some permission or encouraging them. Using different ways, he brought up a group of people who are favorable to him. Another group of people who were very good and doing well, he suppressed them. He suppressed them and kept them away. New created the creatures that were mine. The creatures that were mine. Here it means the people who were mine, the people whom I trained. Prospero is telling Miranda, the people whom I trained, the people who were under my authority, Antonio has made them his friends. I say, or changed them. Changed them here means substituted them. Here changed means substituted. Previous one new created means win over. He won over them. He changed them means he substituted them. That means they removed them and kept somebody else. Changed them or else new formed them. Either he changed them or formed them such a way that they are favorable to him. Having both the key of officer and office, set all hearts in the state to what tune pleased his ear, that now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk. Here there is a little difficulty in understanding. First, we'll finish the first part. Office, officer, and office. What is the difference between officer and office? Office is suppose it's a prime minister's office. That is the work done by the office. Officer is the person. Office is the authority. Officer is the person and office is the authority. So he used both his personal influence as well as the authority that he had to make friends and to make enemies. The state to what tune pleased his ear. What tune pleased his ear means all those who said good things about him, all those who praised him, he made them his friends. All those who were against him, he suppressed them and kept them away. That now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk. Ivy meaning is given there. Ivy is an evergreen climbing plant. Trunk is a body or frame. Ivy that hid the trunk and sucked my verdure. Verdure also meaning is given there. Greenery. Here strength on it, of it. Sucked my verdure out on it. Thou attendest not. I'm not good at drawing. I will draw something so that make it easy for you to understand. So this is a tree. This is a tree. You know, these are roots. What is a trunk? Biology students will know better, I think. So, I mean, those who are studying zoology, sorry, biology. What is another one? Zoology and biology, no? Okay, right. So, this is the trunk of the tree. This is anybody knows, everybody knows. This is the trunk of the tree. So, this is the trunk of the tree. On it, there's some greenery, some creepers, some climbing plants are there. Plants which climbed. So they are climbing. So they are planted here. They climb like that. So they just keep climbing and grow. What happens after some time? Whatever is the essence in the trunk, these plants suck it. You have parasites, no? Parasite. What is a parasite? Science students are there. Let's see. Anybody knows parasite? Can you give me a definition for parasite? Somebody? Okay. I know it. I just want to see what you say. Okay. Yes, Aditya.
Sir, who feed on other animals.
Excellent.
Plants.
Excellent. The one who feeds on the other. One who feeds on the other. That is biology. Animal, he said, because it is. You must be more familiar with zoology. So one who feeds on the other. It could be an animal. It could be a plant. You have seen the trees. Suppose a parasite gets into the tree of a branch. After some time, what happens? The parasite sucks the essence or the food that is supplied to the branch, and the parasite will survive the rest of the. Suppose it gets in here, the rest of the tree will die. Parasite will survive. Here, it was not on the branch, it was on the trunk itself. The parasite is on the trunk itself, the ivy. Here, ivy is the greenery, that which is parasite. It started to suck the essence. As a result, the trunk dried and died. Now, this is symbolic. Who was the trunk? Prospero was the trunk. Who was the ivy or the greenery or the parasite? That was Antonio. So Antonio was given the task to take care of the dukedom. This is the dukedom. He started to grow such a way, he started to grow faster and faster and started to sucking the essence from the trunk. Prospero the trunk became 0. And Antonio became the trunk. Antonio himself became the trunk. I think he understood. Nothing more to explain. That's all. Okay. That now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk. Princely trunk is the authority, power, whatever, the dukedom, and sucked my verdure. Verdure meaning is given there, greenery. Verdure out on it. Thou attendest not. She's asking Miranda. Are you paying attention? Miranda. Oh, good sir, I do. It's almost time. We don't have time to start the next paragraph. So if you have any doubt from what is taught, you can just ask. Otherwise, we'll stop with that. Another 3 minutes more. Anybody, if you haven't understood anything, any line, you can ask me. I think it is clear, but still you can ask if you haven't understood. So we will continue from 105, 104, 105 tomorrow. Next class. Yes, Ron.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, line number 99, sir. Can you just explain once more?
99.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. You remain there, you remain there. This is having both the key of officer and office. That's the one?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Set all hearts I the state.
You understood, no, that the previous one you understood. You started to
Yes, sir.
grant permission to some people, doing some favor to some,
Yes,
and
sir.
keeping away those some others who are trying to become powerful. That you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Then what did he do? He having both the key of officer and office. That's what I said. Who is officer? Officer is one who is executing the power. For example, Prime Minister's office. Prime Minister's office is one thing. Officer is the Prime Minister. Officer is Prime Minister. He has got authority and power. But he has office. What is his office? Yes, Prime Minister has got secretaries are there, under secretaries are there, so many people working under. That is office. So he can make use of his power as Prime Minister. Also, he can make use of the office for executing things. Antonio similarly, not only he used his power as administrator, but also people who are put in charge of things, he made use of them to grow or make him to grow. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Akshit.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Sir, how much long will write MSc answer? Sir, in how many words?
Essay.
Yes, sir. Sir, in MSc.
MSc. Okay, MSc. MSc will not be as extensive as literature. It will be less. It will be less.
Sir.
Suppose, let's say, it's a 20 marks question, he'll write 2 to 3 pages maximum.
Yes.
Yeah. 15 marks means he'll write around 2 pages. 10 marks he'll write 1 page, 1.5. That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
See, all the questions will be normally very, very personal questions. It will be very interesting. You'll enjoy it. So,
Okay.
but you have to take some effort. You have to read a little bit and listen to, suppose I send a video, you'll have to watch the video and read the lessons and do little work. That's all. Right. Anybody else? Any other doubts? Some people are there. I'll meet them. Okay. Right. Anybody else? Anushka Divedi. Oh, Sugandha is there for lifting hands for a long time. Sorry. Okay. Sugandha.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Tell me. I can hear.
Sir, in the fifth page number of this, the book Tempest,
Yeah.
it is written that the Tempest was reached by Prospero. Is that true?
Yes. Yes. That is true. That is true. Yeah,
Sir,
that
he
is did you attend yesterday's class?
Sir, yesterday first class I attended, second class not
Yeah,
attended.
when Miranda came and complained, Prospero concludes saying that it's I who did it. No.
Yes,
He says,
sir.
I had planned it such a way that nothing has happened to the people. It is he who did it. Yes. With the help of Ariel. Ariel will come later. Yeah.
Sir, he admitted in front of Miranda.
Yes. It's very obvious.
Then what was Miranda's reaction?
No, when Miranda heard that no harm was done to people and he had a purpose for doing, that's the purpose he is telling through the story. So now
Yes, sir.
Miranda is interested in knowing why he is doing it. So through the story, he will be revealing why he has done it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Anushka.
So explain line number 100.
Line number 100. To what tune pleased is here? That's one.
Yes, sir.
Tune pleased is here means you remain. Tune pleased is here means something pleasant. Something pleasant. That means those who praised him or those who are good to him. When I hear the voice of somebody, I'm so happy. Suppose your mummy talks to you. Will you be happy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your daddy speaks to you, you'll be very happy. Suppose somebody who you don't know him at all, one stranger, one boy calls you. Will you be happy?
No, sir.
May not be. And if it's an enemy of yours, you have got a neighbor who is always harassing you. Suppose he calls you, will you be happy?
No, sir.
No. So that which pleases you means people who made him happy. People who were able to act according to his needs and interests, he kept them close to him, others he suppressed.